In this video, I am going to explain how to draw a tensile test specimen using Fusion 360. So before getting into video, if you haven't watched the 2D designing of the tensile test specimen, the link will be available in the description. Kindly check it out. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. So this is the 2D diagram given. Based on this, we are going to construct it into a 3D diagram. So first let's draw this center part of length 350 and diameter 30 mm. So first open Fusion 360 and press the create sketch, and now we have to select the top view, and now go to create sketch and select top view, and now you have to select the circle center diameter, and now draw a circle for 30 mm, and now go to solid and select extrude and select this surface. So the length should be 350 mm. So this will be the center part of the tensile test specimen. Now we have to draw this section, truncated cone section. So now again go to create sketch and select the front view and go to line. So draw a line for 25 mm. Next again go to line, and the length of this line is 25 and this is 15. So draw a line of 15 here and 25 on the bottom side. Now again go to line, connect these two lines. Now what you have to do is select the surface, go to solid and select revolve, and now we have to select the axis of rotation. So select this axis and you will get like this. What you have to do is copy the selection, go to here and select the bodies, select this and select create a copy here and move this aside and make a rotation to 180 minus 180 degree. So now 2 is created. Now what you have to do is, so first let's finish designing and later on we will go to assembly part. So now we have to draw this one next. So this will be a circle of cylinder of 50 mm. So again go to here, go to create, I have to select the top view. So this will be the top view, and go to circle or circle of diameter 50 mm. Now we have to extrude this. To extrude it to a 50 mm. So now again make a copy of the selection. So now the designing of the entire part is completed. Now we have to assemble it. Select this part and go to move. So this is fixed here. Now what you have to do is select this one and go to move. So first go to top view and check whether it exactly matches with the another circle from the top view. Yes, now go to front view, and the front view connect it like this. So now press enter. Now what you have to do is select this part, go to right side view, so now it's I think now it's fitted correctly there. Now what you have to do is select this part and move. So this is also fitted correctly. So this is the tensile test specimen. This is how you design it. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Those doubts will be clarified in the upcoming videos.